showed everyone how I but my favorite A plus setups and how I find the resistance for them. Now I'm gonna switch it to the bearish side and show you my favorite A plus bearish reversal / bear flag plays. First date we have is February 25th. Let me see, February 25th. First thing we're gonna do is check the daily time frame for any gaps. No gaps. Closed. Okay, we closed the gap right here, literally. So now we're gonna mark this low, then go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, and again, just like when I play upside, I'm not marking pre-market levels for exits, only entries. So I'm not going to mark this low right here as a support for exit. I'm going to skip that, and I'm going to go over to the first support I see that lines up with this resistance at 322.50. Next, I have a resistance at 319.38, lines up with a double top. And what I like to do also is I like to label them. You don't have to, but just to go back and look at my trades and what the level was at the moment, I do so. Then we have another support right here that lines up with this support here at 316.49. Let me see. 316.69. I'll do 316.69. So before I continue, I'm going to go back and see if I have any other dates in this area. I don't. So now I'm going to continue, and my next support is 314.6, 309.22, then we have 308.05. Follow support. Alright, let's see, did everything. Now let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame now. Let's go back. Boom. Nothing in this area. We got this support on the 4-hour, lines up with the 1-hour, that's good. Got this resistance on the 4-hour, lines up with the 1-hour, that's good. 2 touches right here. The support right here lines up with the 1-hour. And then we have a support right here, but I'm going to go with the most recent support closer to the date, which is this support here at 312.51 on the 1-hour time frame. All right, let me move up a little bit. See what else we have. We have a support here at 307.26. That's good. 307.26. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. So we have a double bottom right here at 310.39. 1 hour. And we have another support halfway through at 311.59. Dollar move, close to a dollar move. Okay. Let's go to all right, so let's go back to the day of the trade on the 1 minute time frame now to see what's going on. Now we're gonna start the time at 9:32. See what happened. Boom. Slip straight through, falling knife. Fast forward a little bit to 9:40. See what happens. At 9:40, we have a double top at the level we were watching for entry. And on this bear flag, I took the entry right here, 5 cents before the low. And look how we came down. Look how we came down and respected my first level at 319.38. Came down, respecting my first level at 319.38. Now let's go forward 10 more minutes. Boom. Another bear flag down to my next level at 316.69. Nice touch right here, then green to red. Let's go 10 more minutes. Boom. Straight down to my next level at 312.51. Reject. Reject these highs. Coming down again. Let's go 20 minutes and see what happens. Like, this really showed no sign of buying pressure. Like, any sign of reversal. Like, you get in here at this level and you're break even. Literally, if you have a break even stop, we didn't even go red on this trade. Like, even with these wicks coming back up, it still rejected this level of area, the 9 EMA, and just still kept coming down. Reject the 9 EMA, still kept coming down. Rejected this support, came down to my next support at 307.26. And another thing I like to do when I trade also is I like to watch all my trades on the 5-minute time frame, because on a lot of trades the 5 minutes telling more than the 1 minute, or even the 15 minutes telling more than the smaller time frames. So right here you'll have falling knife, then you have a bear flag. And on the bear flag you could see the buyers bought it up on the 5 minute, then the seller stepped back in to take out that wick, and we came straight down. We just started bouncing off all the levels basically. So clear this. Next date we have is April 30th, 2025. Let me fix the time first. April 30th, 2025. Let's see. April 30th, 2025. We're gonna go to the daily, see if we have any gaps. April 30th, 2025. I'm bugging. April 30th, 2025. We're gonna check for gaps. The daily is bullish. Let's see what happens this day and why I take this trade. Okay. So we're trying to sell off. This is pre-market low. Mark that orange. First level of support. Let's see what's this. Let's see what's this. Let's see. First two level of supports. Let's see. Let's see. 270, 30. Let's do 271, 28. We work our way back up and see what happens. All right, let's see what else we have in here. 6. Let's see. We have a support right here. 273.6. And the lines look close because of the way I'm zoomed. Let me fix this so you can see it better so it doesn't look too close. Okay. Let's see any more. Let's see 277. See 275.39. Okay. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame now. Boom. We're on the 1 hour time frame now. All right. 1 hour time frame. Let's see. 276.23. It lines up with this resistance right here. 276.23. Let's see. Let me see something. I like this one better. A little closer. Gives this room, basically. See, am I missing anything? Okay, boom. Now let's go to the 1 minute time frame and see what happened this day. Let's go to 2 minutes after opening bell. 2 minutes after opening bell. Let's see what happens. We slip through. Let's go to 9:35. Close this up. I don't need that. 9:35. We have a double top at the level we were watching for entry. At the opening bell, we fell straight through, falling knife. Second candle rejects off of the level we were watching for entry. Then we double top and come down. And let's see what happens throughout the day. Let's go to 9:50. Same thing with the last play that I showed before this one right here, the prior one. Same setup. Slip straight through, then come back up, double top, bear flag into the levels. Fall straight through, respecting all the levels that I had set out. Struggling, and in this area, support's turning into resistance. Now we're coming down. Let's see. Wow, this is weird. What the hell? Now we're coming down. We just bounce. Bounce to the last support that I had set. Let's see what happens 10 more minutes from now. Let's see. Boom, we recover. So the entries here literally went red for a split second, struggled at the 1 minute downtrend, and we came down to the next level of supports that I had set out on the larger time frames, and we just walked straight down. bounce at this level and probably fully recovered since the EMAs look like this now. Let's see. Yeah, fully recovered, and we look how we still respecting each of these levels that I had set out. It's crazy.